How to mix colors to create a rich and deep black.
Mixing colors to create a rich and deep black can be achieved by using a combination of primary and secondary colors. In this tutorial, we'll explore different methods to achieve the perfect black hue for your artwork.
Why mix colors to create black?
Mixing colors to create black allows for a more dynamic and vibrant result compared to using a pre-made black paint. This is because the pre-made black paint can appear flat and lifeless, whereas a mixed black has depth and richness.
What are the primary colors?
The primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. These colors cannot be created by mixing other colors together, but they can be used to create all other colors, including black.
Mixing primary colors for a deep black.
To create a rich and deep black using primary colors, follow these steps. 1. Start with equal parts of blue and red, which will create a dark purple. 2. Add yellow to the dark purple mixture gradually until you reach the desired shade of black. The resulting black will have depth and richness due to the combination of primary colors.
Mixing secondary colors for a deep black.
Another method to create a rich and deep black is by using secondary colors. The secondary colors are orange, green, and purple, which are created by mixing two primary colors together. To create black using secondary colors, follow these steps. 1. Start with equal parts of green and purple, which will create a dark, cool-toned black. 2. Add orange to the mixture gradually until you reach the desired shade of black. This method results in a black color with a slightly different undertone than the primary colors method.
Tips for a successful color mixing.
Always start with small amounts of paint and gradually add more to avoid waste and achieve the perfect shade. Use a color wheel as a reference to understand the relationships between colors and how they interact when mixed. Experiment with different ratios of colors to create unique shades of black that suit your specific needs. Mixing colors to create a rich and deep black can be achieved by using a combination of primary and secondary colors. Experiment with different ratios and methods to create the perfect black hue for your artwork.